Okay, so this is the Anastasia train. Boys and girls, this is the train. My stepdad said to turn it off. Put the manger down. And try not to freak out when you accidentally break it. Put it on the other train surface. No! Okay, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to yell. Train, no. Sorry, boys and girls, my train's having a meltdown again. Let's try the train again. Nope. Ah, here we go. Nope, and it's doing somewhat better. Okay. This train just is acting up. I mean, if you take these two pieces off, okay, what is going on to this piece? Whoa. Thanks, train. We'll see the other train in a minute. Boys and girls, non-binary, whatever you are, ladies and gentlemen, choo-choo train around my tree. As soon as I figure out where the button is. Okay. Button is here. So I showed you the small Christmas tree. This is train. This is the bigger train. It has a fourth piece, but it doesn't work with the fourth piece. And we have popcorn on the tree, I know. Like, what? Shoot, shoot, shoot. Okay, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, non-binary, whatever you are, cat-dog person, I have a little surprise for you. Now, don't be super freaked out, but I did my best. They're purple and pink, and when you go like this, they're pink underneath and purple on top. So if you see my YouTube videos and I have purple pink bags, do not be surprised. I didn't want to shock you all too much. Yes, the train's still going. And going, and going. Oh. I also have Christmas things to show you all. I did a painting for my cat. Bubble wrap. A Thanksgiving painting for my great grandmother. But she's not, we haven't seen her. We have fish that I have to glue still. for my Christmas. Thanks, yeah, Christmas. I did a dog. I don't remember what this one is. Oh yes, I do. Now I do. I still have a couple Thanksgiving ones that I haven't seen over the year. And this is the destroyed Star Wars one for my grandfather. One I told you about. Draw the ship. The Force Order, the TIE fighters are attacking. I will be right back. I have an idea. We're gonna do a Star Wars. This isn't mine. This is the one from my grandfather that I use for his Christmas presents. But I thought it'd be fun to do the word search. Okay. We have Rey, Luke, Chewbacca, Ren, Han Solo, Finn, Rose, Poe, Snooki, Maze, and Tato. Let's see if we can find Rey. R-E-Y. Starting to look like a bunch of alphabet soup. Oh, I found Han Solo. Han Solo. We're using green for Christmas. Okay. Chewbacca. Now let's go with Rey. R-E-Y. Found it. Now let's find Luke. Yes, that's a train. L-E-I-A. Oh, Princess Leia. Ah! Chewbacca. K-Y. Oh! K-Y-L. O-R-A-N. My handwriting is terrible, so sorry. P-O-E. F-I-N-N. Whoa! Found it! R-O... Nope. Nope. Oh, M-A-Z. Let's see. M-A-Z. Cheeto. S-N. Found that one. We have two left. M-A-Z. I already found that. Rose. R. Okay. Why can't I find it? Still looking. Found it. Hooray. Okay, dokie. Let's see if you can see me. Okay, we are going to open it from here. Maybe I'll put this on both my channels. We'll see what happens. Because I like to play Can She Build It? And the answer is usually no, she can't. And I don't even know if you can see me opening this. Okay. Come on. Whoa. We're gonna build it around my tree. The word is try to build it around my tree. Okay. Oh. Yeah. Okay, so. Around the track we go around the track. Track! More truck pieces. Train piece. Whoa! Okay, calm down, train. We have Santa. And the last of the truck pieces. Put it over there. You're not part of this. Okay. Directions! But somehow got crumpled and is backwards. See, the directions are backwards. You unscrew the battery cover at the back of the locomotive to reveal the battery compartment. Remove the cover and insert batteries. I really just want to know how to put the train together. Picture. Picture. Picture of train tracks. Let's see if I can scooch you back. Okay. We'll be back in a second.